This is my first purposely recorded video about my 635 CSI restoration project. As you can see, the car has been partly dismantled. There are bits all over the place. There's the fuel tank, bonnet, boot lid, bits of bumper, doors. As you can see, she's not looking very pretty. Here's what I've discovered after taking the wing off. It's looking pretty nasty. Screwdriver goes straight through it. There's going to be a lot of work involved in here. Interior also stripped. There's only dash left to be stripped. There are holes in the floor on both sides. The back doesn't look too bad apart from that little hole there. There was some de-rusting going on, some zinc primer already on. Plenty to go. Most of the glass was removed. That's the back of the car. As you can see, there are chunks of bodywork missing. The rear scuttle panel doesn't look too happy either.